you have been struggling to bind or link your Master or Visa card to your Taobao account for easy payment to any Chinese supplier on Taobao, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can link your MasterCard or Visa card on Taobao and pay to any Chinese supplier on Taobao without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you stay tuned to the video from the beginning to the end. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement agent, importer, and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to link your bank card to your Taobao account for easy payment to any Chinese supplier on Taobao. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to my Taobao app right here. So I'm going to click on Taobao. Having opened up your Taobao, next thing you want to do is that you can pick on any products right here. So let's, for instance, I pick this particular product here. I pick this product. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. Then it takes me to this point here, so I can select on any of the products right here. So once I select I select this particular product right here. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to bind your bank card. So I'll have to click on here to proceed. Then it takes me right here. So next thing I need to do is to click on here. Then at this point here, I need to select credit or debit card. I have to click on here. Alright, so at this point here, this is where I need to enter the card number. And right here is to be full card name, month and year of the expire, and the CVV 3 digits at the back of the card. So I'm going to fill them one after the other. I'm going to start from the top right here, which has to do with card number. So I'm going to enter my card number right here. Alright, so having entered the card number, you have to come to the next column right here where you will need to add your card name. Then the next column right here is where you need to enter the month and the year of the card. The expired month and the year. Then the next column here is where you need to add your CVV card. So the 3 digits at the back of your card should be added here. Then at this point here, you have to click on here to add a billing address. So it will take you back right after you enter your address. So the next thing you need to do is to click on here to save the card. So once you save the card, and each time you want to make sure this button is turned on, so that each time you want to make payment to any supplier on Taobao, it will automatically select this card, and then your payment will be successful without any stress. So this is how you can bind or how you can link your payment card to your Taobao account, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials about importation business. And lastly, but not the least, if you would like to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of the. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.